Well, I did it again. I changed the bars on my 2008 Honda Shadow Aero chopper bobber bike. Got rid of those drag bars. A long time ago, it started with the factory bars, went to chrome apes, black apes, drag bars, 2.5-inch rise, and then back to the stock bars, and now these are like 4.5-inch rise. It's a whole different kind of look to it. And I'm really, really, really digging this setup. I think the bike looks great. Obviously, it looks amazing. And also, these are extremely comfortable. The drag bars kind of had me like way over here, kind of hunched over, just way too aggressive. The stock bars kind of had me sitting like this, a little too laid back, and it just felt weird. These guys, though, I swear, man, this is perfect. And some of you are probably thinking right now, man, Lucky Aces, you change handlebars more than I change underwear. And if that's the case, that's pretty gross. Like, seriously gross. Like, you should be changing your underwear at least once a week. And probably more than that, depending on if you've had any kind of, like, indigestion or tummy issues. These bars ended up being, like, the perfect compromise. The angle, like, where the grips are, is pretty much the same as the ape hangers were, which is super comfortable. I'm digging that. My arms aren't bent too much. There's, like, a slight little bend to my elbow, but nothing too extreme. Sitting up enough to where I'm leaning slightly forward, keeps my back straight, helps with my posture. Because honestly, the little relaxed bit with the beach bars kind of seemed like, I don't know, like I was back a little too much. And my mirrors are actually useful too. I was thinking probably when I did those beach bars, I probably just didn't have them, I don't know. Like a little ball mount and just kind of, like it was binding up or something, I don't know. Because the main goal of swapping bars was, one, to change things up on the bike a little bit, and two, the apes always kind of looked a little out of place with the long forks. So form was definitely a concern and a motivating factor, but also function. Because I don't think, even when I had the black 12-inch apes on this thing, I don't think I ever had the angle right, I'd always have, like, lower back thing. Like, my lower back would usually bother me, hence why I was trying a freaking sheepskin seat cushion at one point. And, like, it was comfortable, but it was never perfect. This is, like, perfect. And getting away from the apes, too, though, I think the bike just looks meaner. Like, that 21-inch Spirit front wheel stands out a lot more. The whole bike looks lower. It looks lower to the ground. The maneuverability is still pretty good. Not as good with the stock beach bars, but of course, these being narrower, that's obviously going to be a factor. Keep hitting all these freaking bumps on this road. I'm still rocking these hard struts. I have not put shocks back on this bike yet. I keep thinking about it, but I haven't done it yet because I'm a man. At least that's what I keep telling myself. But I have learned a couple things about the different bar styles doing this, so it was kind of like a nice little learning thing too, Educational experiences, they will. And what I've learned is obvious probably to a bunch of people, but hey, just in case you don't know it, I'm going to toss my experience out there. The shorter and narrower the bars are, the heavier the front's going to be, the harder the tight maneuvering is going to be. The taller bars, like I had with the apes, those gave me a lot of leverage, made it really easy to lean, but like I didn't have that fine-tuned precision like I have with these. These are very confidence-inspiring compared to what I had before. Because I had to get away from them 2.5-inch rise drag bars, man. Those were not working well. So I'm definitely probably going to stick with these bars for the form and the function. But, of course, I'm going to keep all the other parts anyway because I'm a bit of a pack rat. I'm not going to just get rid of a set of freaking handlebars that cost me like $40 because, honestly, it's not even worth my time trying to sell them. And besides, if I change my mind again, at least I'll already have everything. Because honestly, changing out handlebars really isn't that difficult. Like, if that's something you want to do, but you're not sure what the steps are involved, at least for a Japanese motorcycle, Honda Shadow specific, you can check that video out right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.